Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can use Google Translate in Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, we have to go to our Google app on our Android phone. Then we should search for Google Translate, and after that, we can choose the language that we want to translate. So we can click on this button right here. Just tap on it and choose the language that you want to translate. And for example, I'm going to choose Indonesian. So I'm just going to search Indonesian language, and I'm going to translate Indonesian language to English language. And we can also switch the language by clicking on this button like this. And we can put the word that we want to translate or the text that we want to translate. And for example, I'm going to translate this one. Alright. Okay guys, and that's how we can translate using Google Translate, and I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.